Willis, I don't want to do that. I mean, hello there, friends. Well, Willis, we can talk about this later. Like, I know. Well, anywho, today we're going to be talking about birds. They're all around us. They're even in this tree. They could be spying on us. They're like agents. Well, anywho, let's get to it. I'm magical, and in this container thing are the birds. Interesting, isn't it? Now, I forgot about the tradition about the plants and the sea. Okay, we're gonna do this, and we're gonna blow it. The other one sounded, like an elephant. Let's try not to do that. Perfect. Anywho, let's get on with the show. Well, anywho, oh, hello, Mr. Bird Friend. I have a bird in my, coat. Now, here's this very special and intelligent bird with a very long tail. Can you see? No, this is how they fly. It's called, Skinnius and Arrhenius. Yes, I do believe so. They specialize in raccooning. Raccooning is flying. They move their tail like, and they fly. Yes, they do. They fly. And they really like to be up high. I just love my hair. Continue on the show. Do you hear that? It's humongous. It is. Come here, little. Come here. Ow, it bit me. Come here. 1 second. Stop moving. Hi, how you doing? Come here. Perfect. Ow, it hit me with its wing. Well, here is Fatus Rheanius. This is its cousin. The Raccoonius Rheanius. This is its cousin. But this is the much more fatter, bigger version with a much more bigger, fatter tail. Yes, and they specialize in Gracianius. Gracianius is, oh, hello there. Gracianius is specialized in car wheels and leaf wheels. And they just love humans. I mean, look at this. Hopefully they don't pay on me. Wouldn't that be just disappointing? Please don't hurt me. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you something about these hamsters. These hamsters are very deadly. They can cut off your finger. And this is why I'm wearing protective gloves. They're just invisible. You cannot see them. But if you're going to do this, I want you to email me. Email me. I said email me. Because
it's Willis Talk. Bum ba-dum bum Willis Talk.
Now me and Willis here are going to get married. Isn't that fabulous? I know. It's such a shame that you cannot have this body. I'm so fabulous. Fabulous! But anyway, oh my god, this plant tried to eat my face off! But while I'm waiting for my next shipment of walruses, me and Willis are gonna answer some questions. Now, I don't want no one to think I'm crazy. I'm getting married with, of this Willis tree. Yes, it's a Willis tree. Now, this is a boy, I think. I'm not sure, she might be transgendered, but I love her. So, on with the questions. None of you actually asked me any questions because, I am a loner. Answer me. Anyways. Don't you just hate the rocket rocket abbers? They're so annoying sometimes. Well, anyways, me and Willis here is going to answer your questions. How many times have I said that? I don't know. But, that concludes Willis. Ooh, look at this camera angle. Such professional. Goodbye, yo. Oh, bye.
Willis Talk.
As you see, I am holding another alligator. This is a very furry and rough alligator, and as you see, it has bit me!
Miss Yuli?
Yes?
I believe that's a bird.
Oh. Where's its wings? Is that its wing? Oh my, that is a very interesting wing. It's very short. They're known as the short-tailed alligator bird car sky tree. Poop. And as you can see, these are very rare. You don't see them anywhere else except right here in my pocket that's not falling out, or on my shoulder. Now, these things have very small eyes, so they are what you can call nocturnal. That's when they stay up all night and partay till they drop. Or shop till you drop. Yes. Interesting. Now they like to eat human toes. They're very tasty to them. As you see, it tickles. Oh my, I made a terrible mistake. One of my toes have been chopped up. I need to go to the hospital. Well, see you next week on my show, Maddie! Willis, I don't want to do... We'll talk about this later, Willis. Your name gets me every time. Well, hello there, friends! Today we're going to be talking about birds!
Wait, we have to redo that. Wait. Like both of your hands were out of they weren't in the frame. Your hands weren't in the frame, basically.
Oh, they weren't? I don't know if you can see any birds, but there's one in my clothing. How did you get here? Okay, now this one is Skinnius Rhiannius. It is a very